we are going to discuss about data mining applications to fault diagnosis in power electronic systems, a systematic review. Then we are going to see about the overview of our project. The main objective of our project is to analyze or to identify the fault which is occurred in a power electronic system by using different machine learning algorithms based on our data set. Early fault detection in power electronic systems to maintain reliability is one of the most important issues that has been significantly addressed in recent years. Fault detection in power electronic systems, data mining based techniques including artificial neural network, machine learning, and deep learning algorithms are introduced. The result of evaluation shows that deep learning based technique, given the ability of feature extraction from measured signals, are significantly more effective than other methods, and as an ideal tool for future applications in power electronics industry are introduced. The system is developed the different classification algorithms such as artificial neural network and random forest for predicting or detecting the fault in power systems effectively. Then we are going to see about flow of our project. This is the flow diagram. First we are collected the data set. The data set was taken from some data set repositories like Kaggle, GitHub, UCI, and so on. Here we are taken power system fault data set as input. After collected the input data set, we are read or load our selected data set by using pandas package. So the selected data are carried out to pre-processing step. So in this module we can check any missing values is present in our data set. If you have any missing values, means we have to replace that missing values by zeros or some mean values. Why we are checking missing values, means for avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding. Here we are convert the data string into numeric integer value for machine readable. Then we can drop any unnecessary or unwanted columns which is present in our data set in pre-early. So these are the pre-processing steps. So the pre-processed data are carried out to data splitting module. Here we are splitted the whole data set into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Based on ratio we can split the whole data set. Then the splitted data are carried out to classification module. Here we are implemented different classification algorithm such as ANN and random forest. In existing ANN is implemented. In proposed we are implemented both ANN and random forest. We can compare the both algorithms, then we conclude random forest is efficient. Then the classified data, so with the help of classified data we can estimate the performance, that is accuracy, precision, recall. Then finally prediction. So here we are predict either fault or non-fault. So this is the flow of our project. This is the output of our project, that is the demo. We are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is the first module, that is data selection. Here we are select the whole data set by using pandas package, and here we are displayed some sample of input data from our data set. Then before handling missing values, so we have some missing values, so we have to replace that missing values by 0. So after handling missing values. Then this is the data splitting module. Here we are splitted the whole data set into test and train. So this is the total number of data which is present in our data set, and this is the total number of test data. This is the total number of train data. Then deep learning algorithm. So here we are implemented ANN. So by using ANN we got the accuracy 98%. So this is the precision recall F1 score for ANN. This is the confusion matrix. Then machine learning algorithm. Here we are implemented random forest. So random forest have 99%. So when compared with two algorithms, that is ANN and random forest, so random forest achieve the high accuracy. So random forest is efficient when compared with ANN. Then this is for confusion matrix. Then this is prediction. Either it is fault or non-fault based on our test data by using a classification algorithm. Then this is the comparison graph for both random forest and ANN. Thank you.